Welcome back to Vedic Mathematics Tricks by Aristokids. My name is Ujjwal Panda and we have covered some topics in last few episodes. So we come here with some new tricks. Okay, let's have some fun tricks of multiplication this episode. Okay, let's try. Suppose we are doing some calculation like this. 2, 2, 2, 2 into 2. 3, 3, 3, 3 into 4, 5, 5, 5, 5 into 3, 6, 6, 6, 6 into 4, like this. Suppose you will get some questions like this, multiplication of any 4-digit numbers with a single digit where all the digits are same. So we have a very nice trick here. So get ready to get these tricks. Okay. So what we will do simply, this is 2, 2, 2, 2, this same numbers are there in multiplicand and 2 is the multiplier. So first step we will multiply this 2 with this 2 and the answer is 0, 4. So we will place here 1, 0 and at the end 1, 4. Got it? So this 2 with this 2 we will multiply, 2 multiplied by 2, that is 0, 4. Now what we will do is we will add these two digits, 0 plus 4, that is 4. And how many digits left here? Here 3 2's left. So what we need to do is simply we will put 3 4's here. And the answer is 4 4 4 4. If you have a doubt how we get these 3 4's, because there are 3 2's left after this multiplication. So we got 3 4's. And how we got this value of 4? We add this 0 and this 4. So 0 plus 4 is 4. We put 3 4's here. Let us do some more examples. The second one is 3 3 3 3 multiplied by 4. Okay. So first step what we will do, we will multiply this 3 with this 4. So 3 multiplied by 4, that is 12, all of us know. So we will put 1 this side and 2 this side. Okay. So this is the first step. Now what we will do, we will add 1 and 2, that is 3. And how many 3's we need to put inside? 3 here, 1, 2, 3 3's we left. So we will put 3 3's here and this is the answer. Let's do this one. 5555 multiplied by 3. Same. So 5 into 3, that is 15. So I will place 1 here, I will place 5 here. Then simply we will add these two numbers, 1 and 5, that is 6. And how many 6 we need to place? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 digits left, so we will put 3 6 here. And this is the answer. Let's do one more. Suppose it is 6 6 6 6 into 4. So same technique we will use, 6 and 4, that is 24. So we will place 2 here and we will place 4 here. And how many 6 left? 3 6 left. So what digit we need to put here? We need to add these two digits, 2 and 4, that is 6. So we will place 6 here and how many 6? Because there are 3 6 left. So we will place 3 6 here. So this is the answer. Let's do some more examples on this. Let's take it. So this is a new example. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 4's multiplied by 3. Okay. We will use the same trick here. So what we will do, we will multiply this 4 with this 3, right? So 4 into 3, that is 12, 1 this side and 2 this side. Now you add this. So 1 plus 2, that is 3. And how many 3's we need to place here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 numbers left. So we will put 5 3's here. And this is the final answer. If you want more example, we can do. Let's take an example. 6 6 6 6 6 into 6. Okay. So It's very easy. We will multiply this 6 with 6. So this is 36. And how many 6 we left? We left 4 6. So we will add this 3 and 6. So that is 9. So we will put 9, 9, 9, 9. So this is one kind of multiplication. So let's do some more examples in this so you can better understand. Let's try 66 multiplied by 6, 666 multiplied by 6, 6666 multiplied by 6, 6666 into 6, and the final one is 66666 into 6. See, this is kind of pyramid. So see, here 2 6 are there, here 3, here 4, here 5, here 6, and we are multiplying with 6. So let's see what are the answers. So here similarly, first 6 we will multiply 6 into 6, 36, and 1 6 left. So we will put 1 9 here. How this 9 came? You added 3 and 6, 9. So here it will be 6 into 6, 36. And because 2 numbers left, so we will put 2 9s. Here 6666, same, we will place 3 here, we will place 6 here. Now 3 6 left, so we will place 3 9s here. How these 9s are coming? We are adding this first digit with the last digit. Okay, here also it will be 3 and 6 and 4 6 left. So 4 9s we will put here. Okay, and this one, this is a 6-digit number. So 3 and 6. How we got 36? 6 6 are 36. And here we left 5 6. So we will place 5 9s here. Isn't it a funny trick? I hope all of you understand this concept. Thank you.